Hey, what up YouTubers, it's your boy Alter Tech back again with the new damn video. In today's video we have the OnePlus 7T and a case for the OnePlus 7T, not just any case, the official case from OnePlus.com. So in my mind, I think it's going to be like a nail filer, kind of gritty and sandy, and a lot grippy. So we get, okay, all we get is a case as expected. Let's check out the back. The back is nice and smooth. Designed by OnePlus. And as for the back, let's go ahead and see if you could check that out. First impressions, okay, it's not as sandy and gritty as I actually thought it was. I thought it was going to be like sandpaper, because that's what a lot of people actually said it actually feels like. But this, alright, so it feels like they took the sandpaper backing of the OnePlus 3T and they put a thin layer of, what was it, rubber on it. That's what it feels like. So it's not too rough at all, but it's nice and grippy. So let's go ahead and see how it looks on the OnePlus 7T. Looking pretty good. And how does it feel? It feels a lot more thinner than the included case. So if you guys are interested in that minimalistic look and feel, you want a really thin case, this is a case for you. As for the bezels, man, you got some minimal, very minimal bezels on the corners. Is it even? I think the tempered glass screen protector might be flush with the case. So if you're gonna drop this, I mean, at least I have the tempered glass screen protector to protect me. But overall, it feels a lot thinner. Like, you're really gonna appreciate the thinness of this phone with this case on. As for the camera hump, is it gonna protect the camera hump? It's there, but I don't think it's as good as the clear case that came with the phone. But anyways, this is an interesting design. I mean, maybe you guys, let me know down in the comments section. Are you guys into this case? What do you think about it? Like I said, it's not going to scratch my skin. It's not like that sandpaper feel on the OnePlus 3T, but it's nice and grippy, but your phone's going to feel hella thinner. And I'm gonna have to get used to that. But anyways, people, if you're looking for the sandstone case, if this was catching your eye, this is it. All right, just to give you guys a quick comparison between both cases, you see over here everything's wide open, everything here it's pretty much closed off, and you do have this power button that's closed off as well. Up on the bottom, you do have cutouts that's perfectly cut out for the speaker and the USB charging port, and the SIM card tray, you don't even have a cutout for this. So maybe if you're into switching your SIM cards, quite often, maybe this case might be for you. I know a lot of people, they don't like this openness because sometimes this gets scratched up on the bottom, and up on top, likewise, all this openness, you could get some scratches, especially when you're just shoving this phone in your pocket and whatnot. But this is for those who just want that look. So I know there is an audience of people out there who enjoy this type of cases. So if you guys are interested, this is the sandstone case for the OnePlus 7T. If you have any questions or comments, please hit me up down below. This is Alter Tech signing out. I hope you guys have a great and wonderful day, and please subscribe, it helps me out. Peace.